Have you ever pondered the question, when will the world end? This thought might seem grim, yet it's an intriguing exploration, not a prophecy of despair. Our focus is on interpreting signs, scientific and philosophical. A key sign is in regenerative science, enabling restoration of any human body part except the head. Picture an era where limb loss is just a minor hindrance. Imagine a world where losing a limb isn't a life-altering event but merely an inconvenience. The second sign takes us into the realm of neuroscience and robotics. With the decryption of the human brain, we could potentially transfer human consciousness into a robotic body post-death. This would allow memories and experiences to live on, rendering death a mere transition, rather than an end. The third sign is a shift in how we harness and utilize energy. Envision a future where electricity is shared like radio waves, eliminating the need for high-voltage cables and pylons. Now these signs may seem like the dawn of a utopian future, but they mark the end of the world as we know it. Not the literal end of the planet, but the end of our current human species. The catalyst for this change? The Third World War. A war instigated by a seemingly insignificant nuclear power, catching us all off guard. The aftermath of this war will leave the surviving humans exposed to high levels of radiation, leading to the birth of a new species. This new species, born from the ashes of our civilization, will be technologically advanced, possessing superior intelligence and speed. They will inhabit space rather than Earth. The planet will regenerate, with new plant species providing sustenance for the new inhabitants. So why do we call this the end of the world? Because our species, having fulfilled its purpose on Earth, will cease to exist. The reincarnation cycle of our souls will continue, but in a new, more refined generation. This speculative narrative is not meant to incite fear, but to provoke thought and inspire discussions about our role on this planet and the consequences of our actions. Remember, the end of one era often signifies the dawn of another. Whether we witness these changes or not, the story of humanity is an ever-evolving one, and it's our responsibility to ensure the narrative continues in a positive direction. A Divine Revelation Before My Sleep, October 21st, 2023 at 2 a.m. Nelson Belgatare Joseph.